The quantum world also questions what we mean by reality. Is something real if we can't observe it? If a quantum particle can be in two places at once until we look at it, what does that tell us about the nature of existence? These questions push us to think differently about what's real and what's possible. Some scientists think quantum mechanics might explain how our brains work. The idea is that quantum processes in our brain cells could help explain consciousness, how we think and feel. While this is still debated, it shows how quantum physics might connect to every part of our lives. The math behind quantum mechanics works perfectly, but what it means is still debated. Some think there are many parallel universes where different possibilities play out. Others believe our consciousness creates reality by observing it. These different interpretations all fit the math, but they paint very different pictures of reality. Quantum technology is starting to change our world. Quantum computers can solve certain problems much faster than regular computers. Quantum cryptography offers unbreakable codes for sending secret messages. Quantum sensors can detect tiny changes in gravity, magnetic fields, and time itself. The quantum world also shows us how connected everything is. In quantum physics, empty space isn't really empty. It's full of virtual particles popping in and out of existence. Everything affects everything else. We can't separate the observer from what's being observed. This connects back to how we see reality. Our brains process information about the world, but quantum physics suggests that the act of observation helps create the reality we see. The world might not be as solid and separate as it appears. Looking at quantum physics changes how we think about cause and effect. In the quantum world, effects can come before causes. Particles can influence their own past. Time itself becomes more flexible than we usually think it is. These ideas might seem strange, but they're supported by countless experiments. Every time scientists test quantum theory, it proves correct. The weird quantum world is the real world. We just don't usually notice it because we're too big. Scientists keep finding new quantum effects and applications. They're learning to control quantum systems better, leading to new technologies.